Welcome to the world of Controlled Blasting, Inc. Since the 1970s, they've been clearing the land for the blasting, quarrying, and contracting industries to make room for new development. Let's go behind the blueprint and see how they do it.
Controlled Blasting is a mainly construction, drilling, and blasting company. So the things that we see in our everyday lives, like our tall skyscrapers, our highways, the utilities that come to our homes and leave our homes every day. Controlled Blasting started out very small, two friends, and as it grew, it actually went through the process of, with these small jobs to the private sector. And then it became larger and got into the commercial sector. From the commercial sector, then we went into the Department of Transportation, and then the commercial buildings and sites that you see as far as skyscrapers in downtown Atlanta.
Everything from your carpet to the road you drive on, it all takes aggregate, and aggregate has to be blasted. And so people don't really realize how important our industry is. The majority of our business is with the construction companies, grading, pipeline utilities, but we also service the quarry industry in several different ways, from helping them with their actual production blasts to doing cleanup work to take boulders down to smaller pieces so they're more manageable. Just about anything that involves explosives, we'll do it.
Once you stick a detonator into a stick of dynamite, that is one of the most dangerous things that you can have. It goes off at 23,000 feet per second. So in the ground, it may just go boom, and everyone's like, that's it. But if that were to go off on top of the ground, it'll shatter windows for blocks.
They have a staff of experienced drillers and blasters.
The training that everyone receives with Controlled Blasting is mostly from the ground up, because we want them to understand how we safely do our projects and correctly do our projects and retain the name Controlled Blasting Incorporated.
One of the benefits of being an employee-owned company is that each employee here, we all share a responsibility as if we were the sole owner. We go out every day and we work the jobs as if it was our company, and it is.
Safety is a top priority.
Safety goes into lots of categories. It starts with our guys on the job site with personal protective equipment, what we call PPE, hard hats, safety vests, gloves, earplugs. On the job site for other people, what we're trying to do is we're trying to keep the job site safe. So there'll be traffic control sometimes, because before we set off a blast, we want to make sure that if it is to go wrong, we're protecting the people who are around the job site. Everyone who comes to work for our company, regardless of whether they've been in this business for 50 years or just starting, they start off on a drill and they start off learning our safety measures.
As for some final thoughts and tips,
people will ask, it must be really cool to blow things up. And I tell them, I said, it is cool. It really is cool to see that, we retain the name Controlled Blasting, and our logo is two hands holding the blast down, of course. And we take a great pride in that. And by doing this, the customers, it's so funny because we go to the job, they want to see rock going up in the sky and the smoke and fire coming out of it, like you see on the movies. So when we blast, and it just makes a rumble and you hardly see the ground move, they're going, is that it? That's it. That's Controlled Blasting.
For more information about how Controlled Blasting can help you, visit their website at controlledblasting.com. And of course, visit our website at insidetheblueprint.com.